Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Lechon Kawali using your air fryer. First, select a 2-pound slab of pork belly and score the skin. Next, boil the pork belly in water for about 45 minutes or until it is tender. This step helps to tenderize the meat. After boiling, it is crucial to pat the pork belly completely dry with paper towels. This ensures that the skin will become incredibly crispy during air frying. Let's get started. Now that your pork belly is dry, it's time to add some flavor. Generously rub the entire slab with a mixture of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. This simple seasoning enhances the natural taste. Next, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once preheated, place the seasoned pork belly into the air fryer basket, ensuring the skin side is facing up. Air fry for an initial 20 minutes to begin the cooking process. To achieve that signature crispy skin, we need to adjust the temperature. Increase your air fryer's temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue air frying the pork belly for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. During this final stage, it is essential to monitor the pork belly closely. You are looking for the skin to become beautifully golden brown, bubbly, and incredibly crispy. This higher heat will render the fat and create that perfect crunch we all love. Once your Lechon Kawali has reached peak crispiness, carefully remove it from the air fryer. It's important to let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the meat tender and flavorful. After resting, slice the pork belly into bite-sized pieces, typically 1 inch by 2 inch. Serve your perfectly crispy Lechon Kawali immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, such as traditional Lechon sauce or a spiced vinegar. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.